He can climb vertically. And those long legs, all the better to reach you with. His legs are double-jointed, bending backwards and forwards for extra stretch. Luckily for the starlings, the chick was just out of reach. But he's got plenty of other options. Weaver bird nests are custom made to keep predators out. But where there's prey, the Gymnogene will find it. He searches the colony, nest by nest. Unique skills and a broad diet see him make the most of any opportunity.